like shit. Got a note in blood and gold, come dine a while at a mansion where the pool was filled with gin. He said, fuck it, I'm in, let the chaos begin. The butler wore mink, the dog had pearls, a statue pissed champagne in swirls, a golden toilet flush with wine. Benicio whispered, this shit ain't mine. People's barbecue, smells so sweet but tastes like fear. People's barbecue, no veil carne, cabrón que es esto barbecue. The grill is lit but there's no cow. Oh, barbecue, I got a bone from hell, from hell. He bit a taco, felt a tooth. The guac was twitching, that's the truth. A finger wore his ex's ring. The flam began to fucking sing. In the mirror, herbs and glaze. On his chest, grade A was traced. He yelled, yo soy el puto platillo. The chef laughed, sí, muy bien sencillo. I hear the salsa, I'm the main dish. Spice me up a taste wish. Grill my soul in Cuba's names. Grill my soul in Cuba flames. Puerto Ricos juegan con nuestros names. Wrapped in bacon, crowd in lie, drenched in mezcal, marked in thigh. Dancers chant, carne viva, priest in Prada, reads la misa. They carved his back with silver forks, played his ribs like haunted chords. He screamed, chinga tu madre, chef de mierda. They answered, and it's tradition, no te pierdas. Burn my balls and serve with fries. You're vegan and you save my eyes. Forest grilling for your pool. The people's snack is no one's fool. Benicio Cerruti, Podron and Grill. Fed to billionaires with artisanal guilt. But in every rich flock that smells of despair, there's a whisper, don't eat punks, they bite back.